They don't normally have it in the American store, do they?
Yan guys, yung stuffing tapos na. Yan. Yung aking sabaw tapos na rin. Yan ang ating barbecue sauce. Yan guys, yung pansit tapos na rin. Guys, yan yung pumpkin pie. Ano to, barbecue sauce. Tapos may mga hinalo ako. Yan. Na barbecue. So, ibibake ko lang to hanggang sa medyo mag-burnt yung barbecue sauce. And then, babalik ta rin ko siya ulit.
I can't remember what it's like to hold one you love by your side. Or maybe I just can't seem to sing to save my life. When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you, funny to think we should know. Oh, and it's love when we've lost
Watch the
control.
movie with you? Yeah. The ribs are excellent.
Maybe for once I can
Tiger.
find
You want more? Rib?
my home.
Ribs.
When I'm with you, there's no reason for why.
You see the trailer?
I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high.
There you go.
I've been searching for
What are you thankful
my
for?
life. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, in that white dress.
I know she wants that.
I think I like the pumpkin pie the best.
Which one?
Yeah. Really good, huh?
Wow.
You know what? And it's probably better that we had it the day later, too. What, baby?
Maybe I want to be good. She got some pink bubblegum stuck in her teeth.
Every time when I'm with you.
Like eating it. Let's go put this somewhere. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty.
I'm eating my cookie.
So guys, yan na pala yung kastanyas na nabili ko dun sa H-Mart. So, hiniwaan ko siya ng pakros. Tapos, binake ko siya sa oven ng mga 30 minutes. So, ngayon, babalatan ko siya and then, ihalo ko siya sa sinaing.